Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to record your screen on OnePlus Nord 6. First, pull down the quick menu and find screen recording. Here you can choose to record system sound and microphone sound. Now press on start recording and now you can record your screen. If you want to close it, press in the top of your screen. You can pause the recording. You can system sound off. You can turn on your microphone or turn it off. And to end the recording, press the red button. Now it will show you recording in the photos, just like so. One more option to screen recording, you can choose a partial screen recording, choosing a small window of your screen to record, like so, and to only record the top half or the half you choose. As you can see, nothing on the bottom shows. And to end it, you press the red square again. Now if you go into photos, here's our partial screen recording. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.